Hi guys, today we are going to do a product review for this microphone, the V.Lav microphone from Diety. Okay, let's open it up. Oh no! Where's my microphone? Okay, it should be new. Let me see. Oh no, I don't see any microphone. There's only a windshield and another microphone cover. No, I don't see the microphone. Where's the microphone? It's there. Oh, it's here. Okay, I see. Here's the microphone. So I've been using this microphone quite a while now. And then it's been pretty useful, especially if you're recording by an iPhone or any mobile phone or even camera, because the sound quality is really good. So let me just give you a little introduction of this microphone. It's so you turn on from here. That's the power button. So when you turn on and you plug into your phone, you will see a green dot. That means it's turned on. And that's your microphone. So you can click this onto your shirts or anywhere. And that is super long. The wire is super long, so you can use it like from very far away and just put this under your t-shirt. So you just put this under your t-shirt. It's super long. I'll show you in a second. Let me show you how the sounds like, okay? And let me just give you an idea of how long this cable is. So that's the microphone. All the way there. So it's pretty long. You can use for many purposes. As you guys can see, it's very windy, and then right now I don't have my windshield on. I just have that foam cover on the microphone. Okay, so this is how it sounds in the wind. And now I'm gonna put on the windshield and see if it makes any difference. Okay, now as you can see, it is still windy. It's very windy. And I have my windshield on. I think the sound is pretty good. Okay, so this is with the windshield and in the outside. Let me take out the V.Lav and see how it sounds like. And this is outside with the windy, with my iPhone, and no V.Lav, just the phone recording. And this is how it sounds like. And let me plug in the V.Lav with the windshield. This is the sound with V.Lav and the windshield. That's how it sounds like. And again, and this is iPhone only, outside with wind. And let me plug in the V.Lav without the windshield, just the foam cover. So this is how it sounds outside with the wind, no windshield. Okay, let me test it indoor. Okay, so this is how it sounds in my office without the V.Lav, just the microphone built in the iPhone. Okay, so let me plug in the microphone. So this is how it sounds with the V.Lav microphone by Diety indoor in the office. Okay, that is pretty much everything for this video. If you find this video is helpful and informative, definitely consider to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos like this. It will only take one click from you, but it will help me a lot. Please be safe as always, and then I will see you in the next video. Peace out.